Hello again. Welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. Question: have you got one of these in your house? A magic box, a box of treasures, a box of important bits and pieces that you need around the house. We've got one. Have a look at what's inside ours. Aha! A pack of little self-adhesive labels or stickers. I think there are some stickers for a jar. Let's have a look. Oh, a tape measure. Very important to keep in your box. Some sticky tape. Some electrical tape for electrical plugs and wires. What else have we got? Oh, some more sticky tape. This is extra thick sticky tape. Some people call it gaffer tape or duct tape. So that's something else. A selection of screwdrivers. All of them, I think. Oh no, these two have Phillips heads. Can you see those? It's a Phillips head. Yeah. And there's one, and there are two with a flat head. Yeah. So a selection of important screwdrivers, always useful. A little tube of glue to stick things together. Oh, look, more tape. Amazing. And again, duct tape, gaffer tape. Oh, very important. Although it's come apart. A plug for a sink plug and chain. Yeah? A sink plug and chain. A little pencil. Yeah, a little pencil. Some tiny screws. Can you see those? Yeah. Some screws in case a screw drops off of something. Some Allen keys. That's those with hexagonal heads. Yeah. Some Allen keys. A bolt. Or maybe that Allen key fits. Oh, and it does. What it's for, I don't know. However, we've got it saved. Oh, there are two. Another one. Some ordinary screws. Another Allen key. Another screwdriver. I don't know why we need 5 screwdrivers, but never mind. There's a little pair of scissors. A little pad to put on the bottom of a chair leg or a table leg to stop it scraping on the floor. Some more, oh look, some more tiny screws. A little pencil, always useful. This is the remote control for the garage door. However, it's broken. Why do we still keep it? I don't know. Maybe it will come in useful one day for spare parts. Some more sticky tape. This is double-sided tape. So you can stick something down, take off this plastic, and then it's sticky on both sides. And some string. So all of them useful one day. So we'll put them back in the box, keep them safe. Actually, I think we need the bathroom plug for the bath. I think the chain has broken. Anyway, the Allen keys, the screws, the 5 screwdrivers, some little screws, sticky tape, and keep them all safe in the box. Maybe you have something similar in your house. What have you got in your little box? Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. Bye-bye for now.